Hey, future Ravens! We are so excited to welcome you to Carleton University's virtual March open house. We have a busy and exciting day planned for you, so let's get started. To begin, when you enter the event, you can use the menu at the top of your screen to navigate through the open house. Using the Schedule tab, you can view the full event schedule and join live sessions. You can also bookmark future sessions and add them to your personal calendar. Under the Booths tab, you can toggle between our service and academic booths. The service booths are where you'll learn more about Carleton's extensive network of support services. It's also where you can find our guided virtual and residence tours at 10 a.m. and 2 p.m. To join a tour, simply enter the booth at the scheduled time. The academic booth section of the event is where you'll find information about our exciting lineup of programs and more information about each program. Some of the academic booths also have representatives available for one-on-one chats. Our virtual March open house is your opportunity to explore, engage, and create meaningful connections within the Carleton community. In fact, the more you participate, the better your chances of scoring an exclusive Carleton University swag box. Check out the leaderboard tab to find out how you can earn points towards some amazing Ravens gear. And finally, if you have any questions during the event, just head over to the Services Booths tab and stop in at one of the Welcome and Information booths. We look forward to seeing you today. Enjoy your open house.